isa.
Hello. Bye. Wala. No. Let's go. Hello, hello. Valera. Pass to Nabal. Nabal to be on 2 points. 2 points by Nabal. Agnes. Agnes to play. Subira, wala. Rebound by Killing. Still by Nabal. Dibereto. 3 points by Nabal, wala. Rebound by Dwayne. Agnes. Agnes sumalaksak. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Agnes pa rin. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Valera. Pass to Nabal. Nabal. Pass to Mark. To Big Boy. Big Boy sumalaksak. Wala. Dwayne to Killing. Same ball. Score 7-2. Action. Nabal. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Absalom. Absalom nagpapadali. Pass to Agnes. Agnes. Long violation. Time out. Time out. Time remaining 6 and 55 seconds. Low, low, low. Low, low. Low, low, low. Back to the ball. Production ball. Aggressive bound pass to Killing. Killing sumalaksak. Pass to Dwayne. 2 points. Score 11-2. Nabal. Nabal to Salvador. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Padaon. Padaon nagpapadali. Wade, pass ba down? Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Nabal. Nabal. Nabal nagmamadali. Loose ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Agnes. Paso Absalon, tumira ng 3. Wala, sa kanila pa rin. Binalik kay Absalon, tumira ng 3. Rebound by Killing. Sa kanila pa rin. Agnes, sinalaksak, foul. Shouted foul. Foul number. First foul number 25. Second foul. Two. Time waiting 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Toto. Steal. Padao, nagbabatri. Paso Agnes. Foul. Salvador. Personal foul. 13 foul. Wall free to wala. Kalong Pedro, pasok. Nabal. Pas to Campo, tumira ng 3. Sobra. Same ball. Pausap lang po yung mga player ng acrylic daw po. Pausap lang nung kundi. Second foul. Number 24. 14 foul. Padaon. Padaon nagdadala ng bola. Padaon. Naharap si Agnes. Sumalaksak. Tumira ng 2. Foul. Foul for 20. First foul. Teams 5. Penalty rep. Penalty na po ang acrylic. Score 14-2. Production. Pasok ang unang free throw. Second free throw. Pasok pa rin. So, Agnes.
Bilis na asa tayo.
Bubble pass to Cha. Cha, pass to De Vera. Kid, De Vera ng 2. Wala. Pagka-down. Pagka-down. Pagka-down pa rin. Number 18. Tumira wala. Rebound by number 25. Tequito. Pass to Cha. Cha nagbabadali. Tequito. Production ball. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Foul. Foul number 9. Penalty rep. First foul number 9. Time remaining 4 minutes and 19 seconds. 16-2. Production. First free throw, wala. Second free throw, pasok na yan. Papol. Papol pa rin. Tuken, sumalaksak. Tumira ng dos, wala. Rebound by Victorino. Pagka-down, pass to number 25 to Santander. Same ball. Pagka-down, 9 to shoot. Rebound by Ken. Pass to Ja. Ja nagmamadali. Sumalaksak. Pass to 9. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Ken. 2 points. Sa wakas. Nakashoot na rin ang acrylic. 17-4. Production. Double team pass to pagka-down. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Nikito. Foul number 19. First personal foul. Second team foul. Nuevo. Sumalaksak. Wala. Santander. Pass to Victorino. Pagka-down. Pass to Santander. To Victorino, tumira ng 2. Wala. Rebound by Nuevo. Tumira ng 2. Sa kanya pa rin. Tumira ng 2. Wala pa rin. Tumira. Pasok na yan. Tatlong tira. Pasok. Remaining 2 minutes and 28 seconds. 17-6. Pagka-down. Pass to Santander. Ganda naman pasa nun. Sa kanila pa rin. Pagka-down, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Ja. Ja, Tunuevo. Wala. Rebound by same ball. Timeout. Timeout production. Ja, pass to Nuevo. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Nikito. Foul na yan para kay number 19, pushing foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Unang free throw. Wala. 2 free throw pa. Unang free throw. Wala pa rin. Kalawang free throw. Wala. 1 free throw ulit.
Nakaapat ka na sana to. Katingin ka nakakashoot dyan to. Huli na.
Pasok na yan para kay Nikito. Last 2 minutes. Pass na number 18. Pagka-down ulit. Ay, pagka-down. Ja. Pass na kay Nuevo. Nuevo, sumalaksak, dumiretso. Papas pa rin. Reaction ball. Pakaduan. Pakaduan. Paso Santander. Foul yan para kay number 15. Penalty rep. Penalty. 13 personal foul. Remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds. First free throw, wala. Second free throw, pasok na yan para kay Santander. Substitution. Agnesin, Santander out. Papol. Papol to Tequito. To Cha. Cha. To Nuevo. To Kens, walaksak, tumira. Counted foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul. Team foul. One penalty. Unang free throw. Rebound. Sa kanya pa rin. Rebound na yan. Uy, nakuha ni Stilit Cha. 2 points para kay Cha. Agnes. Agnes. Agnes pa rin. Agnes. Foul number 3. Penalty rep. Last 38 seconds. Unang free throw. Pasok para kay Agnes. Kalawang free throw. Rebound, wala. Rebound by Ken. Cha. Cha to Nuevo. To Papol. To Beratres, wala. Pagatuan. Offensive foul, number 17. First foul. Kalma lang. Hintay mo na natin ang hatol ng referee. Warning number 17 at saka number 9. Sportsmanship.
Kasi Hernando. Suspendido.
Last 18 seconds. Score 19-11. Production.
Walang foul ha, walang foul.
Ken. To 9. To Beratres, wala. 7 shoot. Foul. Second personal foul number 13. Penalty rep. Unang free throw, pasok.
Wala nang foul ha, walang foul ha.
Last 7 seconds. Kalawang free throw, pasok. Para kay Victorino. 5 to shoot. Foul. Penalty rep. Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Last 1 second. Unang free throw, wala. 281-11. Kalawang free throw, pasok. End of first quarter. Score 21-12. Production.